Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So glad each and every one of you can make it. Today we're going to be discussing update on the DashSkin, so stay tuned. Again, welcome back to the channel. So glad each and every one of you can make it. Got a hurricane on the East Coast, so we're getting a lot of wind and we're fixing to get a lot of rain. But with that stated, we're here to talk about DashSkin. Now, if you remember correctly, and I'll try to find the video link and put up there, I think it is, of when I put this on, how easily it went in, because it went in super easy. But I'll link that video in case you want to go back and watch it, because it is super easy. But this is an update, because I've got one in Tahoe, I've got one in this. So let me turn around and show you. I bought me a backup camera because these older trucks don't have one. I'm thinking about getting me a head unit that goes from here to here, and it's just flat screen, touch screen and all that, and I can actually have the backup camera in there. But that's a whole different ball game. But here we go. The DashSkin looks exactly like the day that I put it on, except it's a little bit dusty because we have been getting an astronomical amount of rain in North Carolina. So I haven't been able to keep it as clean as I normally keep my cars. But as you can see, there's no cracking, there's no discolorization, and I still have yet to paint these. I keep wanting to, and the wife says it's not that big of a difference, don't worry about it. So, you know, it'll have to be one of those things where I just say, screw that, I want to do it anyway, and do it. And then of course by then, who knows what it'll look like or anything. But yeah, here's what it looks like. I mean, there's nothing that has changed on it. There's no oils that have come up. And I've got a spot right here, but that's where I laid something sticky on the dash. Like whenever we go out to eat, I'll use this as a table. You know, we'll put like fries or whatever here on a big, on this towel, on a napkin on this towel, and have some food there. And like I'll take the empty bag and I'll lay there and throw our trash in it. You know, when we're on the road and we don't want to go in and eat. You know, that's just how we roll. So that's what that is. But yeah, nothing, absolutely nothing has changed with this since the day that I put it in. None of the edges have come up, none of the corners have come up, no rattling, no cracking, no anything. Just wanted to make this video because every so often I'll get a comment on how's it holding up, how's it holding up. And I wanted to let you know it's holding up great. This is a wonderful product and I recommend it to anybody. So with that stated, get out there and enjoy your cars, because even me sitting in here doing this video for you guys, giving you an update on something I did months ago, I'm enjoying the crap out of this because I really like my vehicles. I enjoy taking care of them. And yeah, no more leaks back there. That's how it's holding up. Yeah, I did videos on how to fix that leak back there. There's two videos for that. One is the third brake light and one is the seal, the gasket on the side. So just a quick update included in that. Yeah, no more leaks. Hasn't leaked since I did it. So there you go. Get out there and enjoy them. That's what this is all about. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.